Hello and welcome to this Playzo overview. As soon as you log in, you'll land directly on the dashboard, specifically in the Create New tab. Here you'll discover a variety of games, quizzes, and other interactive templates we offer. We've designed these templates to be incredibly useful for both marketers and educators. Educators can leverage these tools to enhance learning and reinforce concepts with their students and audience. For marketers, these templates are crafted to capture immediate attention and drive high engagement, leading to more lead collection and increased sales. By the end of the game, you can offer a coupon code or special offers, which can boost conversions. It's truly a one-stop platform for marketers, content creators, and educators who want to create engaging, interactive content for meaningful results. In this section, you'll see various categories of games like arcade, which includes fun and skill-based games, luck-based games such as spin wheels, scratch cards, and slot machines. We've included all the popular templates here for you. Quizzes are a goldmine at Playzo. You can create quizzes with AI, embed images, and even embed videos. For embedding videos, you have to use the second template. You can create swipe quizzes, add timers, provide explanations after each question, issue reward certificates, and include sound effects for both correct and incorrect answers. It's a truly immersive experience. Puzzle games are also excellent, especially for educators. Even brands can benefit, such as those in finance or digital marketing, if they're looking to teach concepts. These games are quite viral, and as seen with the New York Times, they've been played billions of times. Survey polls allow you to create beautiful sign-up pages where you can conduct polls. You can also request users to upload receipts or testimonials to reward them or gather insights. There's also a file upload option available. Now, let's quickly dive into how the editor looks. Let's create a game similar to Fruit Ninja, a game you might have played frequently. In the middle, you'll see an interactive preview of the game while you edit. This feature allows you to edit games while seeing exactly how they'll look. It's an interactive preview. If for some reason changes aren't appearing, you can refresh the entire page. Once you arrive at the screen, you'll be on the Game Screen tab, where you can edit everything visible in the game background. You can add or modify item images, adjust the number of items, and more. This editing capability is unique to our platform. Other platforms have a fixed number of assets you can't change, but here, you can also modify the size of items, making them as big or small as you like. As soon as you make a change, the preview refreshes. You can alter the size and number of items and add more bombs if desired. Other editors offer very fixed templates. You might not be able to change visuals, or even if you can, you can't adjust size and dimensions. Here, everything is customizable. Just use the forms on the right-hand side. It's all very intuitive, and continue making those changes. Then there's the end screen, or post-game screen. Based on user scores, you can show different end screens. For example, if a user scores 0, you might prompt them to try again. If they score between 0 to 100, you might offer them a discount. You can set various scenarios to display different messages based on score ranges. You can edit each score range and decide which messages and buttons to show, like a Play Again button. Once you've configured game over scenarios, you can style these messages. You've already set what messages appear for different scores, but in this section, you can format those messages. You can also upload call to action buttons. Currently, you can upload any button image and change its dimensions here, so don't worry about asset dimensions. You can upload anything and adjust styling. Right now, you need to upload a button image. Soon, there will be an option to select buttons directly from here. For now, upload any stylish button image and it'll work as a nice button. I haven't linked this to any website yet. Another cool feature is setting the mechanics. Not only can you change visuals, but you can also tweak mechanics, such as the number of lives per game and the probability of a bomb appearing. You can make the game harder or easier by adjusting its mechanics, depending on whether your audience is young or prefers a tougher challenge. You can also add sound effects. There are sound effects for actions like cutting the fruit and when the game ends. You can also add background music. You can modify all sound effects, and they'll play seamlessly across all browsers. If you want to add a lead screen, just head over to the Configure tab. You can enable LED collection and start screens. If you enable a lead screen, you can choose its position, whether to show it before or after the game. Make these changes and save. You can also set a preview image and favicon for social media. Plus, you can customize your domain here. You can configure social sharing settings here and set email notifications for when a lead is sent. You have all these settings at your disposal. In the Analytics section, you'll see data like game views, how many people started and completed the game, the average duration, and leads collected. You can export all this data to Google Sheets and share it with your team or clients. The analytics are real-time. You can upload a loading icon as well, choosing from existing options or uploading your own SVG, so you have choices for loading icons. Once you're ready, just publish, and you'll get options for URL, embed code, and a QR image. Thank you for watching the video.